Meet Alex and Sam. They graduated from the same college, work at the same tech firm, and hold the same job title. Every month, they both received the exact same direct deposit, $5,000 after taxes. To an outsider, their lives look identical. But if you look at their bank accounts, you'd see two completely different worlds. One is living on the edge of a breakdown, while the other is quietly building an empire. Today, we're looking at why the income trap keeps people broke and how small habits create a massive divide over time.
The difference begins the second the money hits the account. Alex views his $5,000 as spending power. To him, a bank balance is a green light. He rewards his hard work immediately: new clothes, upgraded subscriptions, and dinner at the trendiest spots. By the 10th of the month, 60% of his check is already gone. Sam, however, views his income as seed money. He practices paying yourself first. Before he pays a single bill or buys a single grocery, $1,000, exactly 20%, is automatically diverted into his investments. He doesn't even see that money, so he isn't tempted to spend it.
It isn't just the big purchases, it's the financial friction. Alex suffers from lifestyle creep. Every time he gets a tiny bonus, he finds a new way to spend it. He pays for convenience, delivery fees, impulse buys, and premium versions of everything. Individually, these are small amounts, but collectively, they bleed his account dry. Sam focuses on intentional spending. He isn't cheap. He simply spends on what he values and cuts costs ruthlessly on what he doesn't. He knows that a $15 lunch every day adds up to over $300 a month. To Alex, it's just $15. To Sam, it's the monthly payment on a future retirement home. Life eventually happens. For both, it's a transmission failure costing $2,000. For Alex, this is a catastrophe because he has no margin. He has to put the repair on a high-interest credit card. Now, he isn't just paying for the car, he's paying the bank interest on top of it. He's digging a hole while trying to stand up. For Sam, this is merely an inconvenience. His emergency fund, built from those small, intentional monthly savings, covers the bill in full. He stays at zero debt, while Alex slides into negative. Fast forward 5 years. They still earn the same salary. Alex has a nicer car and the latest phone, but his net worth is nearly zero. He is one missed paycheck away from losing everything. He feels trapped in his job because he has to pay for the lifestyle he's already consumed. Sam has a modest car and an older phone, but his investment account has grown to over $75,000 thanks to compound interest and consistent contributions. He has walk-away money. He works because he wants to, not because he's a prisoner to his bills. The story of Alex and Sam proves one thing. Your income level determines your standard of living, but your habits determine your quality of life. You don't need a raise to start building wealth. You need a plan, a bit of discipline, and the realization that the best thing money can buy is freedom.